please. Can you...
Shiloh, Happy New Year.
Can you say Happy New Year? Happy New Year. Can you say woo? Is that so? Is that so? I love you too. Would you like to go surfing today? Yeah. How about carne asada burrito con salsa?
Happy New Year, Kai.
Hi, Mom.
It's 2011.
2011!
And my old gums. Can I have more gum?
All done with gum.
I want more milk.
Can you say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
Can you say it in Spanish?
Don't go back home.
Okay.
So much to say. So much to talk about. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, and smiles and smiles. Did you have a little milk this morning?
Okay, bye, Shy.